This video guides you through replacing the key fob battery for 1998 to 2003 Ford Explorer and Explorer Sport models. These fobs are simple remote transmitters for locking and unlocking doors and disarming the alarm. Battery replacement is a common DIY task, crucial for maintaining functionality as the original batteries fade after 5 to 10 years. We'll cover everything you need to know for a successful battery swap. The key fob for 1998 to 2003 Ford Explorer models uses a 3-volt CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. Visually confirm your fob matches the model shown here with 4 buttons for lock, unlock, and panic functions. Both the Explorer and Explorer Sport models use the same fob design. Note the part number F5TZK60A for compatibility when purchasing replacements. Ensure you purchase a fresh CR2032 battery. Mercury-free options are available for eco-friendliness and safety. You'll need a few simple tools for this replacement. A small flathead screwdriver or even a coin can be used to pry open the fob casing. Using plastic tools is preferred to avoid scratches on the casing. A battery tester is optional but helpful to confirm if the old battery is truly depleted. The voltage should be above 2.5 volts for functionality. First, locate the small notch on the side of the key fob. Insert the flathead screwdriver or coin into the notch and gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob casing. Be careful not to apply too much force to avoid cracking the plastic. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the polarity with the positive side up. Install the new battery, ensuring correct polarity with the positive side up. Finally, snap the fob casing back together until it clicks shut. After replacing the battery, test the key fob's functionality. Press the lock and unlock buttons to confirm they work. If the fob doesn't respond, double-check the battery polarity and ensure the battery is fresh. In rare cases, corrosion may have damaged the internal components, requiring a full fob replacement. Common mistake is using excessive force when opening the key fob, which can crack the plastic casing. Another mistake is inserting the battery with incorrect polarity, which can permanently damage the internal circuit. Ensure the battery contacts are clean and free of corrosion, as buildup can prevent proper electrical connection. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, the issue may be a deeper circuit board failure requiring professional repair. To extend the lifespan of your key fob, avoid exposing it to moisture, which can corrode the internal components. Consider using rechargeable CR2032 batteries for a longer-lasting and eco-friendly option compared to disposable ones. Regularly check the battery contacts for corrosion and clean them if necessary to maintain proper function. While these fobs don't require reprogramming, keep the part number handy for future reference. As these Ford Explorers from 1998 to 2003 continue to age, obsolescence becomes an increasing concern for key fob maintenance. While battery replacement remains the easiest fix, alternatives include universal remotes for basic lock-unlock functions and aftermarket smart key adapters that offer modern keyless entry features. Current trends show vehicle scrappage favoring newer electric models with keyless systems, while battery scarcity for legacy fobs may become problematic by 2030 as these vehicles approach 30 years old. Despite these trends, battery replacement continues to be the most practical and cost-effective solution for maintaining these classic Ford Explorers in the present.